Morning, everyone. How are you? Hope you're doing good. And today I'm here at Shoppers Drug Mart. My husband he had some muscle pull, a muscle sprain, so I was here for the medication over the counter, and I just found one. And again, it's my request that this is a medication which we are like taking it for ourselves. In no ways this would be advised to you. It's only our, like, we took it over the counter. It was a muscle and back relief, as you can see. So do not take it by yourself. Take an advice of doctor. And yes, the day just went like that, and later that day, in the afternoon, I had to also take my daughter for the salon for a vaccine and everything, like this plaza. I think if you have seen my previous vlogs, you know that this is a very close plaza, very close to our house, like just 5 minutes of walking distance. So I had to take her for this her the beauty salon and everything should, like, and also there's a, very close by, there's a meat master, there's a meat chicken corner, like shop here. So I picked the chicken also from here because today was a chicken curry day. I don't make chicken every day. It's just like, one or two time in a week, like, we make it. And even not even two times in a week, I must say, like, in every 2 weeks once, we just make it. So yes, and I just thought, like, I'll just make it. And here I was going to, check my mail, because, while I was coming back, so I thought, why not to just check my mail and, just do a quick little bit of walk, because it's been, the weather is, you can see, it's not slippery, it's not raining, it's not like, snowy. So I just thought of, like, going for a quick walk. And I picked the chicken, everything was done. So yes, now the chicken preparation comes here. Now I just washed this chicken very nicely, and I have taken some tomatoes here, some dry masala, and now here onion, green chili, garlic, and ginger. I've just made a paste. I grinded, made a paste, and then just doing it properly. And I've also a little bit added the खड़ा masala, the spices, little bit of spices. You can add like, black pepper, cloves, कुछ भी आप डालना चाहो आप डाल सकते हो उसमें, है ना. काली मिर्च, ये सारा मैं उसमें ही I just grind it in a, when while grinding the onion and garlic and ginger and green chilies. So now when the onions are done, I have added chicken. So I'll just mix chicken properly, make sure that, like, it's a very low, on your gas flame, like gas stove should be at low, turn to the low. Now this I have added this, like, some masalas, not special like anything masala. I just add the normal spices, like, salt, green chilies, I mean salt, red chilies, turmeric, garam masala, and that's it, like, and coriander, dried coriander powder. If you want, you can add other, but these are my normal masala. I don't, like, put a lot of masalas. If you see my other recipes, these are the normal masalas I add. And I have not yet added tomatoes here. If you can see, I'll wait for chicken to be a little softened, and then I'll be adding tomatoes. And I have taken, actually, puree, I freeze puree, and I have just taken one fresh tomato as well. Make sure that it is cooked in slow cooking. The slow cooking means, like, it is the best chicken. I don't eat chicken. I'm a pure vegetarian. I don't even take eggs. But yes, it's been, like, long, like, I have been cooking, and I know, I have realized that, slow cooking is the best cooking when it comes to chicken, and it becomes quite tender, and all the flavors go inside. I have make sure that, you just keep mixing it with like 2-3 minutes of interval. I know it's a lengthy process, especially for someone who is not cooking it every day, but it's so much of fun. Trust me, like, if your family appreciates you, end of the day, your day, you just make your day. And yes, like, everybody enjoys, like, chicken I make. So what else do I want? But हाँ, उस वो वेट वर्थ होती है, आप वेट करके कुक करते हैं उसको. तो yes, this is how it was made, and quite tender था. पर मैं तो थोड़ा ज़्यादा एक्सपेरिमेंट नहीं करती हूँ, नॉर्मल मसाला के साथ बनाती हूँ. सो yes, जैसे मैंने बोला कि आई डोंट लाइक समटाइम, लाइक, once in 2 weeks we make it, and you can use it with, like, you can eat it with rice or chapati, whatever you want. एंड यस आई स्टिल वेट बिकॉज यहाँ पे क्या, यहाँ का जो चिकन होता है वो ज़्यादा पानी क्वांटिटी इतनी ज़्यादा नहीं होती उसमें, एंड वी डोंट लाइक प्रेशर कुक किस। प्रेशर कुक में ये बनता नहीं, मतलब मेरे को तो लगता है कि वो हो जाएगा, मैंने कभी ट्राई भी नहीं किया प्रेशर कुक में। सो जो स्लो कुकिंग में होती है ना उसका मज़ा अलग होता है, वो आप देखने से ही पता चल जाएगा आपको, योर आइज इज यू ईट योर फूड विथ योर आइज, इट्स सेड। सो आपको पता चल जाएगा इट इज़ डन, and yes, you can have it, enjoy it with rice or chapati. And hope you liked my today's share. Take care of yourself. Please do not forget to like, subscribe and comment.